up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing the April Ipsy unboxing. This is the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus that Ipsy was gracious enough to gift to me, so thank you very much for that, Ipsy. I feel like it's been a while since I've done an unboxing, even though I know that that's not true because I just did one. I don't know why I feel that way. I don't know. It's like rainy here. It was just Easter. Everything's kind of moving in slow-mo for me. The theme for April 2021 is Force of Nature. Whether you love your naked face or feel naked without your red lipstick, do what feels natural to you. When confidence is the first step in your routine, you can't be stopped. I think that's a really good message to send, and I like that, I will say. We are going to go ahead and start with the $12 a month Ipsy Glam Bag. This is $12 a month and you get 5 deluxe size samples. Sometimes, every once in a while, they'll toss in a full-size product in here, and you are able to select one option in this bag. The bag itself is actually really cute. It's like a canvas. I love this print on it. And then the little pull is a set of lips, which I think is adorable. I actually really like this bag. It's almost like Under the Sea-ish. You've got the red lips in there, but then you also have, I don't know, like I feel like this could go so many different ways and it's cute. I like it. Let's take a look to see what is inside here. I'm gonna pull the first thing out. We have a BareMinerals Mineralist Lip Gloss Balm in Sincerity. Okay, I'm not super huge into BareMinerals, but I'm always down to give them another try. Honestly, this, I feel like they've only changed the cap lid, but honestly, it's better than what it was before. And this is my issue with BareMinerals. It's their packaging. That actually is a really beautiful shade. I'm here for it. It's the packaging though, because the packaging is just so plain, but this is really cute and this shade is gorgeous. I'm in the process of using up a little lip gloss sample in my Shop Your Samples project, and honestly, I've really been enjoying it. I'm not normally a lip gloss person. I keep trying these lip glosses though, and I end up loving them, and that's one that I've been loving, and this, ooh, I'm actually really excited to try that. It looks like it has like good opaque color to it, which really excites me because that's my biggest problem with lip glosses is they're so sheer so much of the time, and I want color on my lips, you know what I mean? I like that. Next, we've got a Tatcha water cream. You guys know I'm a huge fan of Tatcha, but they are so insanely expensive. This is Pore Perfecting Japanese Wild Rose for normal to oily skin. I think I have one of these actually. It's so hydrating. It's literally like just dipping your face in a sink of water, but like thicker water, right? Because it feels like it's doing something, but it is so calming, so hydrating. I've loved Tatcha for so long, and this is one of the only, this brand has one of the only like the, oh my gosh, what is it? Like that cleansing powder that you mix with water, right? And then you put on your face. They're the only one that I've discovered that I've liked, and oh, it's so good. The polishing powder, is that what it's called? Polishing something, I don't know. It's so good though, and everything that I've tried from Tatcha I have really enjoyed. They're just so insanely expensive, so to get cute little samples like this, I will always accept. Okay, next in the bag we have, what is this? My Skinny Mask Australia. For all skin types, apply a layer onto clean skin, avoid eye area, let dry and rinse. Oh, okay, you glow girl. So it's My Skinny Mask is the brand, and the product is the Tumeric and Vitamin C Clay Mask. I love clay masks. I love them so much. Definitely one of my favorite like skincare type mask products because, ooh, that's a really interesting color to be a clay mask. I'm so used to seeing them as like that gray kind of cement color. Oh my God, that feels so good. It feels like a lighter version of a clay mask, right? Because it doesn't feel as like heavy and thick, but it definitely feels, I don't know what my plan is now, but it definitely feels like a clay mask, and I really like that. I'm actually really excited to put this on my face and try it out. And they are vegan and cruelty free, and it's made in Australia. The other company that I really like that's from Australia is the Sand and Sky, and they do amazing clay masks. So I'm really interested to see how this one compares to the Sand and Sky mask. That is so cute, and I love how like bright and yellow the packaging itself is. In the bag, we have the, what is that? I act like I know what I'm doing. The Mistik? Oh, Mistik! The Mistik Source Hydro Serum. Okay, so this is a hair serum, a hydro hair serum. You apply to damp or dry hair and style. It's an essential dose of added nutrition and a finishing touch for an immaculate and visibly healthy hairstyle from morning to night. Ooh, I like that. Oh, okay, that's actually thicker. I thought it was gonna be like, I was wondering why it was in this type of packaging, because I thought at first this was an eye cream. And I thought it was definitely going to be more like watery, and it almost feels kind of like silicone, but I don't see any silicone in the ingredients. It's a very interesting texture. I'm actually really excited to try that out. I wonder if this would help with flyaways. What is it supposed to do? I'm gonna have to look it up. Okay, I like exciting things. I like new things. And then the last product in the glam bag is the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. I've actually tried this one before and I really enjoy it. So I will gladly take a little mini of this. And I honestly, I much prefer like the mini mascaras compared to the full size, because I feel like you get to use so much more of the product before it goes bad. Although I was recently told that it's 6 months, not 3 months to throw out a mascara. That could have been my fault. But this is a mascara that I've used before and I really enjoy, so I'm happy with that. This was a good bag. I say that about every bag, but I really liked this one. You've got a mascara that I know I love, a hair serum, and a mask that are two very new products. I'm really excited to try both of them. They both seem really unique. Tatcha, and then a really beautiful lip gloss. I think this bag was a huge success. I will definitely use everything in there. I'm really excited to try it all out, the stuff that I haven't tried, and obviously I'm excited to use the stuff that I have. A very quick minute break here. Ipsy also sent a couple of other things in this package, and one of them is this Force of Nature bucket hat, and I'm kind of feeling it. I'm not a hat person, but does that look cute? I kind of like it. I feel like for the duration of this video, it should be a thing. Should it be a thing? I don't know. Next, we are going to talk about the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is my absolute favorite. It is $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size products, plus you get to pick 3 of them. Ipsy chooses the other 2, which I think is just superb odds. The Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is one of my all-time, just above everybody else, favorite subscription boxes. But let's take a look to see what Ipsy sent along this month. First, we have the Item Beauty Light Sauce Balancing Gel Moisturizer for oily and combo skin. I still have part of that mask on my finger. Okay, so I've tried several things from Item Beauty. If you've been following me on Instagram, I've been posting pictures of like my makeup pretty much on a regular basis. I miss a couple days here and there, but like it's pretty regular. And the Item Beauty bronzer is one that I used so much throughout the month of March. I love that bronzer, and it was just a total random find through Ipsy. Same with the Lash Snack mascara. I really like that too. Ooh, I like this packaging. This is giving me almost like 70s vibes. I love this. It's so cute. Okay, so it's definitely like a gel. This is kind of what I expected the hair serum to feel like. It's super like watery, but ooh, that's really moisturizing actually. Oh, that's hydrating. Okay. So it's supposed to hydrate and balance skin with glycerin, tiger grass extract, muru butter, and ceramides to replenish natural moisture. I mean, you guys know me. I'm always down to try a new moisturizer, and Item Beauty, as much as it surprises me, right, I've actually been really enjoying the products that I've been trying from them. It seems to be overall a good brand, but I've only tried makeup products, so I'm super pumped to try out a skincare product from them, because I didn't even know that they were doing skincare. Okay, next, ooh, this is the Balm and the Beautiful Eyeshadow Palette, episode 1. So they've made so many new palettes, and this is Clean Beauty with green packaging. As far as I know, this is one of those palettes where you can pop the pans out and then you kind of just, they pop straight out. And then I believe the entire thing is made out of cardboard, and you can recycle the whole thing. I know KVD Vegan Beauty did a palette like that very recently, but I'm pretty sure that that's what this is. This is beautiful too. Look at this. I love this. It's very neutral, right? But it's got some really nice neutrals. I really like this Chick Flick for all over the eyes to set it. Cut looks like it would be beautiful in the crease. Same with Makeup Artist. I'm like not showing you because I'm staring at it. And then Cliffhanger is a really dark shade, but it doesn't look like it is a black shade. It looks like it's a really dark brown. I can just see like so many beautiful looks being made with this. And I'm starting to be more okay with like, cause you know, I like to do the, you know, bright and colorful eyeshadow looks, but I've done a couple recently with neutral palettes, and then I've added like glitter or some type of cream shadow or something to it. And I really feel like, Those are some really nice looks. I'm excited about this. The Balm does really good eyeshadows. I've always been a big fan of their products and like what they stand for and everything, and that's very exciting to me. Cocokind Oil to Milk Cleanser. It's a prebiotic cleanser for soft and replenished skin. Ooh, okay. That's so cute. This is the packaging that I like. It's so just like crisp and clean and like bougie-ish looking. I just think it's so beautiful. And Cocokind is free from toxins, fillers, artificial colors, artificial fragrances, parabens, phthalates, mineral oils, and sulfates. Oh my goodness, that is a mouthful. They are committed to being a clean, conscious, and accessible beauty company that empowers our entire supply chain of farmers, the environment around us, and our greater community led by strong women. We are also proud to support women-run businesses through the Cocokind Impact Foundation. So I love all of that. I love the packaging of this, and I love the concept. And then it says that this particular face wash is uniquely formulated with prebiotic, fermented oat, and nourishing plant-based oils. And it is a microbe-friendly cleanser that turns into a milk upon contact with water, allowing you to receive all the benefits of an oil cleanse while still being able to wash it off. Okay, so I love oil cleansers, but I always feel like they leave like this kind of film on my face, right? And I love the fact that this one transforms into a milk, because I've tried a couple of those in the past and they've all worked out really well for me. And I feel like that's going to be great. We also have the new company, The Pill All-in-One Serum. It's AHA plus vitamin C plus HA. Everything your skin needs in a single dose. 27 non-toxic ingredients, including glycolic acid, lactic acid, and hyaluronic acid, and tiger grass to deeply hydrate, resurface, plump, and tighten the skin. Is it just me? Or have we been seeing tiger grass everywhere lately? I feel like so many of these products that I'm reading about like promote the fact that they have tiger grass in them. And I'll be completely honest with you, I have no idea what that is. If you know what tiger grass is, let me know down below, please. That almost feels like a slightly thicker version of the moisturizer, but maybe more, oh, I don't even know how to describe it. It feels really nice on the skin though, it does. Okay, I mean, y'all know, once again, I'm always here for skincare. I've never heard of this brand, so I'm definitely gonna have to look it up and kind of see what they're all about. But this is really cute. I like it. It's very sleek. It's very nice. I'm surprised it doesn't have a cap, but the top does twist to lock the product up, which is great. Okay. And then the last product in here is, oh yes, this is from RMS Beauty. This is the Living Luminizer. You guys, I have been wanting to try one of these for so freaking long. This has seriously been on my wish list, and I don't know why I never purchased it. I don't know, but look at that beauty. RMS is very into kind of like the no makeup, your natural beauty, things like that. And this is just so, I don't even know where to put it. It's so gorgeous. Look, oh. Do you see the ever so slightly subtle shift? Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. I cannot wait to try this out, you guys. When I do my video where I do a like get ready with me trying on new subscription box products for the month, I 100% I'll be trying this out. I cannot wait. Oh my goodness. I have been wanting this for so long. It has been on my wish list. How'd you know, Ipsy? Okay, once again, great bag. A wishlist product that I cannot wait to try. A beautiful oil to milk cleanser that I cannot wait to try. A serum that I cannot wait to try. A moisturizer that feels delectable on the skin that I cannot wait to try. And an eyeshadow palette that I cannot wait to try. I need to start making these try-on videos. Like, why am I waiting? Why am I doing this to myself? Also, in case you were wondering, this is the bag for Glam Bag Plus this time. It's super pretty drawstring with the exact same fabric that the Glam Bag has. But this one isn't as canvasy. It's a little bit softer than this one. I honestly think that these might be like my favorite bags that I've gotten from Ipsy thus far. They are perfect. I'm very excited. Thank you so much, Ipsy, for gifting me with these bags. I cannot wait to try out the products and let you guys know what I think about them. So if you have any questions on any products in particular, let me know in the comment section down below. And also let me know what your choice items for the month of April were this month. This month? April? Yes? Okay. I always love to know what people chose for their choices. So let me know all of that fun stuff down below. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that bigger subscribe button if you'd like to catch my next Ipsy unboxing. And I will catch you guys next time. Have a great one. Bye-bye.